Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Secura air fryer and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. We will be breaking down the features of each and comparing them in different categories. So let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Secura air fryer definitely wins with its 5.3-quart basket. This makes it perfect for cooking meals for the whole family or meal prepping for the week. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 has a compact design which is perfect for small kitchens and can accommodate 1 to 2 servings. Both air fryers offer several cooking options such as frying, roasting, baking, and reheating. However, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 has customizable one-touch smart programs for specific foods such as wings, roasted veggies, and cinnamon buns. This makes cooking even easier and hassle-free. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 uses Even Crisp technology which circulates the air from top to bottom, giving a perfect golden finish to the food. On the other hand, the Secura air fryer uses convection technology to circulate the hot air evenly for a crispy texture. Both technologies are efficient and work well for different foods. When it comes to cleanup, both air fryers have non-stick and dishwasher-safe baskets and trays. However, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is easier to clean due to its compact design and removable trays. It's definitely a time saver when it comes to cleanup. The Secura air fryer is priced at $56, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is priced at $39. While the Secura has a larger capacity and more accessories, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 offers more features and is cheaper. It all depends on what you're looking for in an air fryer and what fits your budget. And that's our comparison of the Secura air fryer and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.